is there a blower motor not working in your BMW E series or even an F series for that matter? Well, I'm going to tell you why. There's usually 3 reasons for this. The first reason being a bad battery. Now, on this car, I know that the battery is bad. I can confirm it because I just had the battery tested and it came out with a bad cell. And every time I turn this car off, it doesn't turn back on. So I can confirm it's a bad battery. And when you have a bad battery in a BMW, sometimes it lets you know and sometimes it doesn't. But the first tell sign is when your blower motor stops working. Now what BMW does is to conserve energy, is they'll do little things like that, not run the blower motor so you can drive your car without it dying and without the battery and the charging system being overworked. So that's your first issue. If you're having this issue, I say just go get your battery tested, confirm that your battery is good. If it's not good, replace it, and more than likely your blower motor will start working again. And I have fixed BMWs like that before, simply by just replacing the battery. Now, if your battery is good, then we can move on to the next step, which would be your actual blower motor. Now, there is a recall out for the blower motor wiring as well as the airbag. So if you haven't got that done, you can tell this is a brand new airbag, free of charge from BMW. What happens with the blower motor wiring, which is really common with these E-Series BMWs, is that over time they get overheated and they start melting the insulation and then they start short-circuiting on one another. And this gets all burnt up and it can actually burn your car down. We've seen a lot of burnt down BMW E-Series before because of that reason. So your first step would be just to go get the recall done and make sure they fix the wiring. And this car actually had that issue, and just getting the recall done fixed the blower motor, which was cool. But then shortly after, which would be the third cause, so the second cause would be the wiring. The third cause would be the actual blower motor itself. Over time, they do go bad. They used to be kind of expensive. Nowadays, you can get one for pretty cheap. I think I've got them for like 30-40 bucks before. It doesn't take too long to take them off. You usually just take out this whole little glove box assembly, the underneath area, 3 screws or whatever, and put the new one in. And that will fix the issue as well. So I always say start with the minor invasive thing first, which is diagnose the battery. If your battery is good, then get the recall done, and if the recall is done, then actually replace the blower motor. Those are the 3 reasons why your blower motor won't work. I know just putting a new battery will fix this because I already replaced the blower motor and the wiring on this car. So just wanted to share that information with you in case your blower motor wasn't working. Don't worry, don't freak out. There's an easy way to fix it. Thanks for watching. If there's any other questions regarding any BMW stuff, leave them in the comment box below. And until next time, peace.